Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a shoulder slide lift comb. There are two exits we're going to show you today, though of course in freestyle there are a lot of other ways you could get out of this move. So, first version looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the simplest of the two. So it starts like a normal shoulder slide. We go back on 1, we come in and latch on 2. Instead of the guy heading past the lady and turning left, he's actually going to turn left and stay close. As the lady's coming through, he's going to come through with his right forearm underneath the lady's arm, so you end up with the forearms crossed, and uses that action to slide up, take the hand over the head and down to the back of the neck. So at this point the lady is over your right shoulder, guys, out on your right hand side. Lady gets to do her step back, and then from here all we do is slide the lady forwards as we would coming out of a 5-beat first, or similar to a 6-beat basket, and catch left or right at the end. Let's do that from the other side. So it goes back 1, latch 2, crossing the forearms to lift the comb, slide the lady away and catch. That's just 5 counts. Let's do it. 5, a 6, a shoulder slide, lift comb, back, latch, comb, slide and stop. That's it for the first version. The second version, my preferred version, goes back, latch, comb, forwards, backwards, down to the hand. So similar to a basket pullback. Let's do that. It goes back 1, latch 2, lift comb 3, send the lady forwards and block the shoulder with the left hand as you head across the back, and then you just slide the lady back. The hand goes across the shoulders, so you get a shoulder slide for the lady too, and down to the left hand. So by numbers, that goes back 1, latch 2, lift comb 3, blocking 4, sliding 5 and catching 6. So it takes an extra count, but I think you get a lot more for it. So let's do that to a count. 5, a 6, a shoulder slide, lift comb. We go a back, latch, comb, block, slide, and you're done. That's it for the shoulder slide lift comb. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive move. If you like what we're doing, like the video. If you have watched 1 or 2 and you're enjoying it, then I heartily recommend you subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.